What to do, YouTube? T-Bird here, and in this video I just wanted to show you guys how I successfully got my Etsy account unsuspended. As you can see on the screen, I had 0 active listings. I only had 38 in my draft. So yes, you can get your Etsy account suspended even if you don't have any listings. Okay, so once you get your account suspended, you will see a sad face at the bottom left hand corner of your screen, and also at the top it'll be a notification telling you to check your email for a message explaining why and how to restore your account. Me personally, I never received a message explaining why or how, so I had to contact Etsy support and send out an email to them. It's kind of tricky getting to the email part, so I'm gonna show you guys how to navigate to it really quickly. Okay, so after you click on contact Etsy support, your screen should look like mine, and from this point you want to click on sell it on Etsy. Next, you want to click on your Etsy account. From here, you want to click on reopening or closing account, then reopening or unsuspending your account, and then you want to click on I still need help. And now you have the option to email them. But before you email them, let's go a little bit into detail about exactly what they're looking for, because this is what led me to get my account unsuspended. Etsy wants you to write a detailed message that will be including a description of your business history with Etsy, what factors led to your suspension, your plan to remediate the issues in your account, and details about how the items you sell fit within Etsy's policies. And then a specialist will review your appeal and your account history, and it will possibly take them up to several weeks to receive a decision. Well, for you to receive a decision. After submitting your appeal, it doesn't guarantee reinstatement of your account privileges. It only ensures that a qualified specialist will conduct a review of your account history and information to determine the status of your account. Which basically means that you guys want to sound as professional and honest as possible when you're sending your emails out, because this could be the last chance that you guys can have before the specialist determines that your account will or can be permanently closed. And then after that, as you can see, there will be no further consideration of reinstatement. Of course, that's something we want to avoid. So I'm just gonna show you guys a little bit of what I said in my email, just so I can give you guys like a small template for you guys to go off of. Okay, now getting back to the email, for your subject, you can do anything you want, but I did account appeal for my Etsy account shop, which is Sure Life. In my description, I said, hello Etsy, I am emailing regarding my store Sure Life, which was just suspended as I was adding drafts to it. It's a print-on-demand store from Printful. It's made up of different shirt designs for breast cancer awareness, suicide prevention, Alzheimer's awareness, and just having positive energy. All of my designs are 100% owned by me. I have not listed or sold any designs. I only have them in my saved draft because I wanted to list all of them at once. And as you guys seen from the beginning of my video, I have no active listings. I had, I think, 38 in my drafts. But anyway, upon reading the terms, I do not understand why my account got suspended. Please, at your convenience, let me know whether or not my account can be reopened. And then you can have like your email or whatever it is you want them to contact you by. And I just said thank you so much for this opportunity for small business owners. Thank you. And then whatever you're gonna say in your description, after that, it gives you the option, well, 2 options as to why was your account closed, and you really have no choice but to say Etsy closed my account because of policy violations, because you didn't close your own account. And then after that, you just send it. Immediately after you send it, you want to get your description. You want to copy that. You want to copy your description, and then you want to make an email, and you want to send it to integrity@etsy.com. So you want to send this email. After you send this email, copy it, and then send another email to integrity@etsy.com as well. Okay, so after I sent off my email, the very next day, Etsy emailed me back specialist have taken a look at my account and can see that your shop and listings are now active. This is the email you guys want to see. And then it gives you a little bit more information as to what occurred. And it says that we have automated systems in place to protect the safety and security of the Etsy marketplace. These systems are monitored by Etsy employees, but occasionally shops operating within our policies may be caught up in them. So hopefully you guys that have your account suspended can do the exact same thing that I did in order to get your account unsuspended. I hope this video helped you guys a lot. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.